with the rising global automobile sales, German Industry 4.0, and China Advanced Manufacturing, focusing on intelligent manufacturing, enables the transformation and upgrading of the automobile manufacturing industry, and are committed to building a future-oriented industrial ecosystem. MDL is an international enterprise dedicated to providing advanced intelligent equipment and systemic solutions, as well as research and development, design, production, and sales of industrial automation products for automotive customers. The company is attaching greater importance to research and development efforts and increasing investment in the research and development, and relying on global leading strengths in technological research and development of the German head office. A professional team providing customers with competitive product solutions and services has been established in China, and the company also prepares industrial layout and product upgrading in advance by paying attention to industrial fields of customers and giving insight into customer demands. And with Suzhou as a center, several domestic brand companies and offices in Changchun, Wuhan, Dalian, Chongqing, etc. has been set up. Quality is a shortcut to success. Since establishment, MDL has always attached great importance to research and development and innovation, and has obtained nearly 30 patent certificates, and has introduced the ISO 9001 quality management system, and a scientific and rigorous quality control process has been established to provide the automobile industry with ground conveying, air conveying, model switching, standard products, and other products. And customers have been provided with continuous innovative products, services, and solutions. After years of development, MDL has maintained healthy, stable, and rapid growth, taking customers' demands as the orientation. The company has a supporting CNC gantry processing workshop, welding workshop, CNC finishing workshop, vertical machining center, assembly workshop, etc., and experienced research and development teams and design teams to provide customers with one-stop automation technical services, from the feasibility study on customers' projects or production requirements to design and manufacture of automation equipment and after-sales service. The company uses advanced mechanism design and system control technology to continuously provide customers with optimized products to meet the needs of customers for high quality, high cost performance, and high quality service, and help them continue to grow and also enhance the value of MDL. Science and technology, the life spring of an enterprise. Innovation, the driving force of an enterprise's development. For the long-term development of the enterprise, MDL carries out strategic innovation and management mode innovation timely to adapt to the changes and development of times, enabling international industrial progress as a manufacturing service provider of industrial automation systems.